In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer primary ownership of your Google My Business profile. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the Google search engine, and from here, you're just going to type in the name of your business. So the one that I'm going to be changing is Rolled Ice Cream Factory, and then hit enter. Now this should bring up the Your Business on Google section, and from here you just need to click on the three vertical dots like so and select Business Profile Settings. Then select People and Access, and in the left hand side select Add. Now what you need to do is type in the email address of the person that you want to add to this listing, and once you've typed in their email address, you then need to select Owner from the list and then go ahead and press Invite. Now, this person will have to go in and check their email accounts, and they'll have to accept this invitation. And once they've accepted this invitation, you'll then be able to come back here and remove the previous owner just by clicking on it like so and selecting Remove Access. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you transfer ownership for your Google My Business. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.